When students complete group activities like workshops, learning groups, and conversation groups, you can provide verification by badging students through Badgr. To give you badging capabilities, Success Center staff will send you an email invitation to become a staff member of the Success Centers on Badgr. Click on the link in the email to view the invitation and follow the directions to set up a Badgr account with your Chafee email. Once you set up your Badgr account, sign into Badgr with your email address and password. From personal issuers, select Success Centers. On the Issuer Badges page, search for the badge that you want to award and select the badge. Then choose Bulk Award from CSV. A CSV file that you can copy and reuse will be sent to you by Success Center staff. You can reuse this file each time you award badges. Open the CSV file. After students share their Chafee Panther email addresses privately with you in Zoom, copy and paste them into separate rows in the identifier column. Because the badge will be associated with an email address and not a name, students must provide a Chafee Panther email address, which includes their first initial, last name, the last 4 digits of their student ID number, followed by @panther.chafee.edu. After saving the CSV file, upload or drag and drop it into Badgr. You'll then see a preview of the CSV. Click on Next. This window shows the field mapping for the header. Click on Next. In this window, the box next to Notify Recipients by Email should already be checked. Uncheck the box next to Prevent Duplicate Badge Awards, since students can attend and receive credit for the same group more than once. Then click on Finish. If they don't already have a Badgr account, students will need to create one to get the badge link, which can then be sent to instructors as proof of completion. For more information, encourage students to visit the Success Center homepage on Canvas to watch the verification video on using Badgr.